I want to go over another type of simple machine. That's a pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove in it that allows us to make work easier. Today I'm going to go over a single fixed and a single movable pulley system. The first thing that we need to do in our class is take our ruler and tape it to our desk, leaving about an inch off. So it's just that same ruler that we used for our levers. We're going to tape it with the tape side down so we don't pull those numbers off and then nobody has to redo those later. So again, about an inch off, use your duct tape, one at the front, one towards the back. And then your binder clip is what you're going to use to attach the pulley to. So you're going to attach that onto the end of the ruler, flip down the bottom silver piece, because otherwise it'll get pulled down if you were to attach the pulley onto that. Okay? Then you're going to take your pulley wheel and you're going to put your rope right through this silver part here, and that'll allow the rope to set in the pulley wheel groove. You want to make sure that your rope is actually on the pulley wheel, that it doesn't slide down and fit between the silver piece and the red pulley wheel. So it looks like this when it's finished. Okay? This is my pulley. It's a single fixed pulley because I'm going to attach it to a fixed point. So the pulley wheel doesn't move. That's what makes it the single fixed. Then I can attach my load, same load we used before, to one end of the rope because there's a little loop there. As I do that, again, make sure that my rope stays in the pulley wheel, and make sure that you take care to hang on to the other end of the rope, or else put your hand underneath the load. Then we're going to use the spring scale to measure the effort that it takes to lift the load. Remember, when you get the spring scale, the first thing you want to do is zero the effort by lifting up or down on this little bar. So you're going to make sure your effort of your spring scale is zeroed. As soon as it is, then you can attach it to the pulley wheel. You're going to attach it to the other end of the rope. Now notice that it now has a paper clip on it, so that's what we're going to attach it with again, so that way we don't have to read those numbers upside down. So we'll just go ahead and attach that on to the other loop on the rope. Once that's attached, I'm ready to lift my load. Okay? As soon as I start lifting the load, I can read my spring scale. What I should find when I lift a load with a single fixed pulley is that it doesn't provide me any mechanical advantage. That's to say that it doesn't take any less effort to lift the load than it would all by itself. So no real advantage there other than you might see these kind of pulley systems on, say, a flagpole. So it lets us get something up to a higher height than what we would be able to without the pulley system. I'm going to go ahead and show you the next type of pulley system. It's a single movable pulley system, and really nothing changes here, right? You feed your rope through. The thing that changes is it flips upside down. You attach the rope end to your binder clip, and you attach the load to the bottom hook of your pulley wheel. It's a single movable pulley because, as you can see, the pulley wheel moves when you lift the load. Okay, then I'm going to attach my spring scale to measure the effort on the other end of the rope. Okay, once again, make sure it's zeroed before you use it. And then I can lift up. What I should find with this pulley system is it takes half the amount of effort to lift the load as it would without the pulley system. So I can just get started lifting that, and then I can straight away read my spring scale. So, two types of pulley systems today that use a single wheel. There's the single fixed pulley system. The wheel is attached and a fixed point. And there's the single movable pulley system where the pulley wheel can move with the load. So those are the two types that you're going to build tomorrow in class.